Assalamu alaikum, dear students. It's me, Maida ma'am. And last time we read our chapter number, that is chapter number 2. Okay, we finished reading this reading of chapter number 2, but we had something left in left chapter number 1, and that is the explanation of this poem. Okay, so what this poem is about that we know that brush is very common. Okay, soap is very common, mirror is very common, stocking is very common, shoes is very common, but these everyday things are very important for us. Okay, whether it's king, queen, or it's a laborer, or it's a doctor, or it's a teacher, for everybody shoes is very important, isn't it? Stocking is very important, brush is very important, soap is important, shampoos, breakfast, magazines, books, newspapers, these are very important. Okay, so we should not be proud on ourselves that we are rich, or that man is poor and I am rich. No, that poor man also has a brush. You too have a brush, isn't it? So this poem is actually the what is the hidden meaning of this poem is that everybody is equal. Nobody is different from no, nothing is different. Everybody is same. No one is different from each other. Everyone is same. Okay. So the rhyme scheme of this poem is A B B C C D D E E F F G G H H. Okay. Yeah. So HHII JJKK LL, and then we have again AA. Okay, this is the rhyme scheme of this poem. Okay, make a list of 7 everyday things not mentioned in the poem. Okay, this is for you. Think about more things. Think about 6 things that are not mentioned in the poem that you use every day. Okay. So here we have learn interesting terms. Think and answer these questions you'll get from the notes. And then we have learn interesting terms. Rhyme is the pattern at the end of each line of a poem. We use letters to indicate the lines that rhyme. For example, the poem Twinkle Twinkle Little Star in the rhyme scheme is Twinkle Twinkle Little Star, how I wonder what you are, up above the world so high, like a diamond in the sky. So, what is a rhyme? Rhyme is the pattern at the end of each line of a poem. For example, you have here at the end, kings, things, millionaire, hair, hope, soap, eat, meat, be, tea, refuse, shoes, note, coat, think, ink, look, book. So at the end, this is the pattern actually. Okay, this is the pattern at the end of the each line of poem, and we use letters to indicate the lines that rhyme. We use letters to indicate the lines that rhyme. For example, you have here A B B. So you make use of letter A. You make use of letter B, C, D. Okay, so to indicate the lines that rhyme, to show the lines that rhyme. For example, the poem Twinkle Twinkle Little Star is the rhyme scheme of this poem is A B B, because R rhymes with star. Twinkle Twinkle Little Star, how I wonder what you are. R rhymes with star. Okay, so here, up above the world so high, like a diamond in the sky. Sky rhymes with high. Okay, so the pattern in the stanza is A B B. Okay, can you find out the rhyming pattern of all the stanzas in everyday things? As I have already told you, the rhyme scheme of this poem is A B B C C. Okay, likewise we'll go till end. Okay, and then you have here, sometimes you can form new words by joining two words. For example, Poolside, pool plus side. Birthday, birth plus day. Such words are called compound words. Okay, so the compound words are that type of words that are formed by joining two meaningful words. Okay, so for example, you have pool, then you have side. So poolside becomes a compound word. Okay, pool is one word, side is another word, and when you join these two words, it becomes a one meaningful word, and it becomes a compound word and meaningful word. Okay, birthday, then we have birth is one word and day is another word. Birth की एक अलग meaning है और day की एक अलग meaning है, but when you join these two words together, it becomes a compound word. Okay, so match the words in the first two columns to make compound words. Write them in the third column. One has been done for you. Okay, so you have to match the words in the first two columns. For example, you have postman. One has been already done for you. Newspaper, book, shop, sea, man, goldfish. Okay, do you know what a comb is made of or what a pencil is made of? These could be made of either plastic or wood. The term given to materials or things from which something is made, such as cotton, plastic, metal, wood, is called material nouns. For example, in plastic toy, plastic is the material noun. Let's look for a few more examples. So you know what a comb is made of? Comb is made of plastic, isn't it? Or what a pencil is made of? Pencil is made of wood, isn't it? So these could be made of either plastic or wood. Okay, so comb, maybe it's either made of plastic or it's made of wood. Okay, or a pencil, it's either made of plastic or it's made of wood. The term given to materials or things from which something is made, such as cotton, plastic, metal, wood, is called a material noun. So the term which is given to the materials or things from which something is made. For example, if you have wooden box, so this is material noun. Okay, wooden. So which term is given? Material noun is a term which is given to those materials or things from which something is made. For example, cotton, plastic, metal, wood, paper. Okay, nylon, you have butter paper. Okay, so for example, in plastic toy, plastic is the material noun. So plastic is material noun. Wooden is material noun. My metal is material noun. So let's have a look on few more examples. Chairs are made of iron. I like handkerchiefs made of cotton. So iron here is a material noun. Cotton here is a material noun. So we will stop here. Tomorrow we will this read more about these nouns. There is another kind of noun, that's abstract noun, and that we will discuss not tomorrow or day after tomorrow, because tomorrow we will discuss that tomorrow. Okay, yes, we'll discuss that tomorrow. Till then, stay at home, stay safe, take care of yourself.